I can control who opens, edits, prints, or copies a sensitive PDF with Foxit PDF Editor. This leadership compensation review contains confidential employee information, so I need to protect it before sharing. From the Protect tab, I'll open Secure Document Password Protect, where I can control access and restrict what recipients can do with the document. The document open password controls who can view the file, so I'll enter and confirm one now. I'll set a separate document restrictions password, and then click the permission controls. I'll restrict printing, editing, and copying while preserving text access for people who use screen readers. For this protected copy, I'll choose 256-bit AES encryption before applying the security settings. The protection takes effect when I save, so I'll create a secured copy and leave the source unchanged. When I reopen the protected copy, Foxit requires the document open password before displaying any content. I'll enter the opening password, confirm the document opens, and keep its printing, editing, and copy restrictions in place. Now the document stays accessible to authorized recipients, while its permitted uses remain under my control. This workflow also helps HR, finance, and healthcare teams protect compensation reviews, treasury reports, and privacy records before sharing. Start a free trial of Foxit PDF Editor and try password protecting your documents. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.